Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspiredRise.com, and today we are going to talk about the premium smart TVs recently launched by View. And all of these televisions support a lot of different applications, and all of these televisions support incremental updates which would roll out soon in the future. So guys, without wasting much time, let's begin. So View launched 4 televisions which can be seen over here, varying between screen sizes from 32 inches to 55 inches. All of these televisions are smart televisions and they have a lot of applications. You get the access to Opera web store and you get a very smart type of remote control which has limited number of buttons, as can be seen over here. You get a home button, power button, menu button, and a click wheel which has the navigation button and a central button for selecting things, just like as can be seen over here. We are switching between different things, applications, and right now the YouTube application is running over here. You can easily browse YouTube and you can select different quality parameters also depending upon your internet connection and its strength. So let's just play a trailer right now, Captain America Civil War official trailer. We are playing it right now and it's playing good enough in full HD. The quality was really great. So it would also depend upon the strength of your internet connection, how good and how clear the content would play on your television because of the source. And you can even select captions and everything in the application, the smart TV, the smart application, which helps you to watch stuff. So you can even enable captions on those videos which support captions, and that's a really cool thing to have on such a television. And apart from that, all of these televisions come with a lot of features and come with a lot of inputs also. And this is the user interface. Everything is accessible via remote, and when you have to input something, when you have to log in into something, then you have to use the remote to use it on an on-screen keyboard. And sometimes transitioning between different menus and apps took some time, so that was one of the only cons that we could find in these televisions. Apart from that, these support a lot of modes, as you can see: cast mode, TV mode, AV mode, HDMI inputs, and other inputs also. The Opera TV store that these TVs come up with has a lot of applications. You can see a lot of applications over here. You get access to Netflix, you get access to a lot of applications, and over a period of time the Opera TV store would definitely get more updated, and you would also get access to the Play Store also. So you would have a wide variety of applications to choose from, and that's really great. You can also surf the web using this television, so that's good enough. This specific remote, which can be seen over here, it has a dedicated Netflix and YouTube button, so that's really great for people. Just come up to your home, switch on the television, push the Netflix button. The Netflix subscription is definitely paid, but still it's a very good fix for a TV like this. These are all of the inputs that can be seen over here: LAN, HDMI input. You get even an optical input, video and audio composite cables, and on the right hand side you can see the USB ports and the HDMI ports and power ports. So all in all, it does come up with a lot of features and inbuilt Wi-Fi functionalities, and these TVs are definitely good enough. So guys, in case you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Aditya Najha from InspiredRise.com signing off folks. Stay inspired to rise.